Hello, my name is Samson. This video I'll be teaching you on how to get a job after a graduation as an accountant or as a finance or as an accountant. If you want to get a job immediately after your graduation, first you have to have the knowledge and accounting in reality, and also you have to know the accounting softwares. If you know all these two things, it will be very so much easier if it's indicated on your CV that you have this knowledge of accounting software, and also you have the reality in accounting. This will be so much easier for you to get for you to get a job immediately. I have 100% confidence of anybody that has accounting software will get a job immediately after he graduated, because people now are using accounting software in the working place. If you want to have that knowledge of accounting software as QuickBook, P3, Search 50, follow me on my YouTube channel, and I should be showing you my videos on my tutorial on accounting software. And if you learn that, it will really help you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're the first time, or if this is your first time of meeting me on this channel. Thank you so much.